What do the Opera and Ballet Theatre in Astana, mines in the Sakha Republic, Sochi Airport, a Biysk oil refinery, all these objects have different functions in the life of society, but they have one thing in common: systems of reliable fire protection produced by Russian company production organization Spetsavtomatika, Biysk city. These systems are invisible to people, but they make their lives safe. Spetsavtomatika, Biysk city, is the only Russian company manufacturing a wide range of equipment for water and foam fire extinguishing systems and fire alarm systems. The product list is over 1,000 items. Spray nozzles, control units and modular fire pump units, signaling and control detectors, annunciators and detectors including aspirating detectors, integrated and automatic fire extinguishing systems. Production organization Spetsavtomatika knows what reliability means, because it has been providing fire protection for more than 45 years, equipping the objects with complex systems of automatic fire extinguishing, from developing and production to engineering and installation. Today, Spetsavtomatika is a part of the Scientific and Production Association, which is one of the largest science cities in Russia, the Biysk city. The company annually introduced new products and systems on the market. Many developments have no analogues in the world. Most of them are protected by patents. Today, Spetsavtomatika is the owner of more than 80 documents for intellectual property. The products developed and produced at the company annually receive high objective assessment of experts at international specialized exhibitions. There is no such sphere of activity the objects of which are not protected by the equipment of Spetsavtomatika. There are objects of civil and social purpose, objects of defense industry and oil and gas sector, objects of food and chemical industry, objects of aviation infrastructure and energy industry, objects of housing and communal services and agriculture. The focus for all new developments in the company is the consumer. It is the person who is the source of information and a program for the development of new directions. Release of products with a worldwide name starts with the process of engineering study and has informational support for products at all stages of the life cycle. Using the modeling of combustion processes, the necessary parameters and characteristics of the future product are determined. Functional testing of future models of equipment to optimize engineering decisions is done by using 3D prototypes. Realizing the importance and responsibility of our actions, we impose high demands on all stages of products manufacturing. Testing laboratory allows us to conduct all types of fire tests, with automatic registration of parameters of fire detection and extinguishing. Requirements for both serial production and piece manufactured products are the same. This is 100% testing of each unit of production. The high level of production quality is confirmed by the availability of appropriate certificates and of quality management system complies with international standards ISO 9000. Constant increase of the level of production is inextricably linked with the introduction of effective systems of technological process automation and teamwork as a unified whole mechanism. The structure of the company consists of 4 engineering and technological departments, a modern testing center, a high-tech production base, an engineering department, a design and installation department, a network of branches and representative offices in the country and abroad. Great history, well-established authoritative name of the company and the ability to innovate. All these make it possible to consider the Biysk company Spetsavtomatika the leader in the field of fire safety. The production organization Spetsavtomatika does not stop at what it has achieved today, and every day it is searching for new, effective solutions in the fight against fire, because novelty earned credibility in the present becomes a reliable future.